The data around fear shocked me and it explains why most people stay stuck. In the next 4 minutes, I'll break down one fear that's secretly running your decisions and the 3 steps to break free from it. Hi, my name is Nilofer Safdar, and for 31 years, I've helped entrepreneurs, parents, leaders stop letting fear control their choices without toxic positivity or ignoring reality. Every video I share gives you one strategy that you can use right away. Here's the data. Studies show that fear activates the amygdala in your brain, shrinking access to logic and problem solving. That means your brain literally pushes you towards safety and not growth, and that's why people get stuck. Most people let fear quietly dictate their choices, avoiding tough conversations, delaying big decisions, or staying in situations that they have outgrown. Now, because fear-based decisions feel safe in the moment, but they keep you looping in the same patterns that caused the problem in the first place. So, step number 1, name the fear specifically. I'm afraid of failure. I'm afraid of rejection. Step number 2, involve the body. Most people think that fear is in the mind. Not true. Fear is a physiological event in your body. When you're in fear, your brain triggers the fight or flight response, releasing stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol that increase your heart rate, blood pressure, and breathing to prepare your body for action. Now, this surge of energy is accompanied by muscle tension, sweating, and a focused, hyper-aware state. Now, while this survival mechanism is beneficial in immediate threats, chronic fear can lead to stress-related health issues that affect your body's ability to function normally. Your nervous system becomes dysregulated. A dysregulated nervous system is in an imbalanced state, and your fight or flight response is overactive. So you need to regulate your nervous system. How do you do it? You can use a technique called progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and relax your muscles. Let's do it together. Clench your fingers, your hands, your shoulders, your face, your jaws, your eyes. Clench your whole face and your body. Clench, 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 and now relax. Now clench it again and relax. Now do 3 to 5 rounds of this. Now step number 3, take one small aligned action. Train your brain to see you can survive the discomfort. So what is the most easiest, most pleasurable action you can take right away? For example, if you need to send out a newsletter, just write down the subject line of that newsletter. Why this works? Because instead of letting fear run the show, you're retraining your brain to respond with clarity and courage. Now, if you want to practice this, I've created a fear release worksheet. Drop the word fear below and I'll send it straight to your messenger. It walks you through the exact prompts to identify the fear behind your decisions so that you can move forward with confidence instead of staying stuck.